In today's video, we will explain the relationship between RACI and the different responsibilities of the reliability engineer throughout the planning and scheduling process. The reliability engineer plays a crucial role in ensuring the optimal operation of equipment and systems. Their tasks include estimating parts and materials, identifying necessary equipment, and collaborating on maintenance planning. All these tasks are seamlessly integrated into the RACI metrics. Hello, I'm Victor Martinez, technical consultant at Itconin, and today let's explore RACI and the role of the reliability engineer in the different planning and scheduling stages. Enjoy it. First, some concepts. What is RACI? Well, it's an acronym for Responsible, Accountable, Consult, and Informed. It's a framework used to clarify roles and responsibilities in projects. Responsible handles tasks, accountable owns outcomes, consult provides input, and inform states update. Responsible. The reliability engineer plays a crucial role in ensuring the continuous operation and performance of equipment, systems, and processes within the organization. They are responsible for implementing strategies to improve reliability, reduce downtime, and enhance overall asset performance. Accountable. In addition to developing plans and strategies, the reliability engineer plays a key role in proposing improvements and adjustments based on their data analysis and technical expertise. They may also be responsible for obtaining approval for proposed plans and strategies. Consult. The reliability engineer consults with other technical experts to gather information on past equipment performance, maintenance requirements, and best practices in reliability. Their technical expertise is crucial for making informed decisions and developing effective strategies. Inform. The reliability engineer keeps maintenance team members and other stakeholders informed about the progress of work, changes in bill of materials, and any relevant developments related to equipment and system reliability. To visualize and clear any doubts about the activities that the reliability engineer will perform, I encourage you to download the file attached in the comment section. This document will offer an in-depth summary of the tasks and responsibilities specified for the reliability engineer. We need the RACI metrics. I'm Victor Martinez, technical consultant at Itconin, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.